What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Cardano founder is talking, and he is talking about some big things as it comes to politics and crypto here in the United States. Now, as you guys know, Cardano is one of those cryptos that the SEC has decided to, quote unquote, deem a security, right? And it's created a lot of FUD in communities such as Cardano and Polygon and Sandbox and Decentraland and some other top cryptocurrencies that you know and love. By the way, we're going to do another video on a bunch of the cryptos that the SEC claims are securities. We're going to highlight that in another video. But this video is about Charles Hoskinson, the leader of Cardano, and there's a reason why he's doing what he's doing, in my opinion. And we're going to talk about that a little bit in this video. Appreciate you guys for coming back. And I saw this yesterday on Twitter, and I thought it was super interesting. And wanted to share it with you guys here in this video. So this is a good friend of mine in the space, Digital Asset News channel. You guys have probably seen him. Does a great job talking about crypto in general, covering the news and insight and information. So Charles Hoskinson recently was on one of his live streams and basically said this: a vote for Biden is a vote against crypto. Now, it's very rare that we start to see founders of cryptocurrency projects taking political positions in United States politics, literally saying, this is who I'm not voting for, this is who I am voting for. It's very rare. But in this weird instance where we are right now in crypto, it doesn't shock me as much. Why? Because it has been showcased to us over these last few days and weeks, and really, I think the last few years, that this current regime does not want you to own crypto. Period. End of story. Regardless of how you feel on any other issues, and as I've said before, I'm not much of a political person, but I'm looking at this as something obviously huge because this is my livelihood. This is what I do. This is how I make a living. Right. And for so many people out there, they're so invested into crypto. This is such a big part of their life. It has become one of those main issues that a lot of people are looking at when it comes to this upcoming election. And it's crazy to me that it's gotten this way. But it seems as if these candidates that we have, Biden and Trump right now, and RFK, are all on completely opposite ends of the spectrum. Whereas RFK and Trump seem to want to innovate, and RFK's been here for a really long time, the independent candidate. But Digital Asset News, again, quotes this from Hoskinson's live stream. I'm not telling you who to vote for either. This is him saying this. Vote Trump or vote Kennedy, but Hoskinson is 100% correct here. A vote for Biden is a vote against crypto in the United States. That is what Hoskinson has put out there. And obviously, you have Trump going on here recently saying, hey, they want to do whatever they can to innovate with crypto, answering this kid's question regarding crypto. And basically, Trump is good with crypto. I'm good with it, he says. If you like crypto in any form, and it comes in a lot of different forms, if you're in favor of crypto, you better vote for Trump. So this is becoming a very, very important issue within this election. First off, I think that's amazing for crypto in general. The fact that it's even to this point where it's becoming talked about in articles now as potentially swinging or swaying the election in swing states, that is huge, number one. The fact that crypto has just reached these levels. But it is very, very important. We have to keep an eye on who says what and what their feelings are on this industry. Guys, if a person like Biden gets in who's totally against crypto for another 4 years, do you realize how much that would stunt innovation? And again, I'm not telling you who to vote for. I don't care. It depends how passionate you are about this industry. And I think, you look at Charles Hoskinson, I don't think he's necessarily a, extremist when it comes to the political aisle one way or another, but this guy works and makes a livelihood in crypto. And he's just saying it how it is. A vote for Biden is a vote against crypto, period. And, it sucks that we've got to have these two polar opposites. It sucks that in general, this regime and Gary Gensler and people in power right now don't want to see us succeed. They don't want us to go forward in this industry. And it blows. It sucks. But it looks as if people are taking a stance. People are saying what they truly believe here. And this was interesting to see the Cardano founder say this. Now, keep in mind, I think the founder of Cardano here in Charles Hoskinson, he's got a lot at stake here. Maybe even more at stake than some of us. Now, all of us are investors. I'm guessing so is Hoskinson here. But he also has a company that's based out of the United States, a company that has already been deemed a security by this current regime. They are threatening his livelihood. So his passion for this is not shocking to me. His sharp response to what he wants to see is not surprising to me. Again, if your business, your industry, your company was under attack by a current regime, how would you feel? Put yourself in Charles Hoskinson's shoes, or Sandeep Nawal's shoes at Polygon, or any other founder out there of any of these cryptocurrency projects that are under attack. How would you feel to be Brad Garlinghouse right now? How would you feel about the current regime and regulation and what their current plans look like with this regime? How would you feel? What would you think? It's just crazy that we've gotten this far with how many people want to see crypto fail. Imagine what happens when we have people in place that want to innovate, that want to grow this industry, that want to do everything we can to make America a hub for crypto, to want businesses to come here and start here and flourish here and grow here. Imagine what happens then to that 5% adoption number. Imagine what happens then to various entrepreneurs and companies that are starting these companies. The potential here is still immensely amazing. But right now, innovation is being halted. And Cardano founder speaks out on this. And he believes, I think, in looking at that Cardano, ADA, the token, it needs this change in power. It needs another group in there who will help this industry forward. That's what I gathered from those comments. So real quickly, we'll take a look at the overall market, guys. Take a look there, and we'll get up on out of here. Appreciate you guys for watching today's video. Just quickly here, Bitcoin is up 2%, getting back up there to 63,000. Speaking of Cardano, pretty flat here, 46.5 cents. Market overall, pretty nice, up 2%. Right now, the graph, Akash, Dog with Hat, WorldCoin, Phantom, Toncoin, some other top ones, Arweave, Book of Meme has cracked the top 100 again. Solana, Sui, all up a little bit here right now. And overall, we're kind of in this spot right now in the market, up 2%, down 2%, up 2%, down 2%. Not a ton going on, but usually the summers are kind of like this. But still a lot to unpack, a lot to talk about. We've always got a ton of news to break down for you guys. Appreciate you guys for watching the video. Check out Margex if you're interested in leverage trading. Margex right here, links down below to that. Definitely check that out. You can copy the best traders over on Margex. They've got an unbelievable platform, no KYC over there. If you want to become an early alpha member with us over at the Patreon, getting information early, getting access to me, having access to our phenomenal community, Patreon, links down below. And if you want to become a better trader for this crypto bull run, XT Algo, my trading indicator, link down below. I'm telling you guys, you're going to absolutely love it. People are paying for their entire yearly memberships the first 2 weeks they get this thing. One successful trade, the thing is paid for. There's a 21% off discount, links down below. I love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Give me your thoughts on Cardano right now. All of this, Hoskinson, what he needs to see, what these companies need to see. Is it going to take a regime change for these Cardanos and Polygons, these cryptos that have been blackballed, to make a move in this bull cycle? What do you guys think? Links down below to all of that discussed. Appreciate you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.